Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I share the exact step-by-step roadmap that you need to successfully market and scale your business past six figures. This video is an excerpt from my free membership, Marketing Accelerator. I hope you enjoy. Welcome to your very first lesson in Marketing Accelerator. This lesson covers the complete roadmap for marketing a six-figure brand and shares everything step-by-step that you need to know to be successful in later modules. And this is so important because if you want your business to grow, you have to get your marketing right. But let's start with making sure that Marketing Accelerator is right for you. This accelerator is designed to give you the marketing foundation that you need to scale your brand to six figures. So if you are a new entrepreneur, if you are somebody who's been an entrepreneur for a while, but you haven't yet scaled past six figures, or if you feel like your marketing foundation just isn't there, which is inhibiting you to scale beyond six figures, then Marketing Accelerator is for you. In Marketing Accelerator, you're getting the exact step-by-step roadmap that I've used to generate over $50 million in marketing revenue, but you're getting it adapted to your stage of business. As an entrepreneur who is either new or making under six figures per year in business, what you need is an easy, dependable, and understandable marketing strategy, and that's what I've designed this accelerator to give you. You'll walk away from Marketing Accelerator with a strategy that is easy to understand, straightforward to implement, impactful, meaning I've removed all of the fluff and time wasters that other gurus like to share, and I have made this customizable to any business model. But let's start with, who am I to teach you? Well, I mentioned that I generated over $50 million in marketing revenue for clients, but when I started out in my entrepreneurial journey over 10 years ago, I really struggled to make my business work. I've been in your shoes. I've been that entrepreneur who has really wanted my business to work and tried everything that I was learning online, but something just wasn't right. And for 3 years, I struggled. I didn't know if it was me or the business model, and so I tried everything. But eventually I decided to pick one thing and stick with it. And it started to work. I doubled down on what I saw was working, and things really started to work. And in April 2020, I made $54,000 in a single month. Now, I asked myself, what was different between me now and me not too long ago? And I realized that it was the strategy behind what I was doing. And I wanted to know if this was a me thing or if this is something that could help other people grow as well. And so I started implementing the strategy for other brands, and it kept working. I started looking for any sort of brand where this strategy wouldn't work, but it turns out that it didn't matter the business model, industry, niche, customer profile, or revenue size. The strategy kept working, and it works because it's simple, impactful, and adaptable. And I really like to follow the KISS method when it comes to growth. Keep it simple and scale. And that's why you'll see that the six-figure marketing strategy is simple. I've removed all of the fluff so you can focus on what actually will drive growth in your brand when it comes to marketing. So let's review the six-figure marketing strategy. You need one core offer, one ideal customer profile, one marketing channel, one landing page, one email sequence, and a CRM. Looking at each of those components, starting with your ideal customer, this is where your entire strategy starts, with your ideal customer profile or ICP, which is the avatar of the one person that your brand and offer is suited to help. If you're currently under six figures, you need to identify that one person that your brand is uniquely positioned to help, and you cannot deviate. Once you know who you're trying to sell to, you need to create your one core offer, which is the one product or service designed to solve your one ICP's one pain point. So when you're under six figures, your job is to find the one version of your product or service that will enable you to scale. And this will require some conversations with people in your demographic. It'll require testing different versions of the offer and finding the one offer that will enable you to scale to six figures and beyond. We will go over the key components of finding, creating, and testing a core offer in later modules. Let's move on to your marketing channel. Now, with all of the information available online about marketing, it can be pretty overwhelming knowing where is the best place to market your business. And I want to remove a lot of that confusion and overwhelm right now by letting you know that you only need one marketing channel to scale your brand to six figures and beyond. So all you need to do is find the one marketing channel that will scale your brand and own it. By really learning what works on a single marketing channel, you will enable your brand to scale beyond six figures. And in a later module, I will go over the qualifications of a winning marketing channel, how to test and find what works for your brand, and how you can scale that marketing channel all the way past six figures. Now, once you have your marketing channel, you'll need a place to direct all of the traffic to, and that will be your website. Now, you only need a one-page website or a landing page to scale your brand. A lot of people like to overcomplicate the website, and they add way more pages and information than is needed at this stage of business. And so what you're going to do is focus on taking people who land on your website from interested to buying. That's as simple as it is. We are not overcomplicating it here. So to pass six figures, all you need is a one-page website, and I will go over the key components of a high-performing landing page with you in a later module so you know exactly what needs to be on your landing page to make more sales. Now, I'm sure you've heard online the importance of an email list, and this is true for you at this stage of business. And what we're going to do is create an email sequence so when someone joins your email list, you can welcome them into your ecosystem and warm them up to make a purchase. This is a must-have when scaling your brand, and I know it may seem overwhelming when you are working to scale, but what we're going to do is create a winning email sequence, automate it, and that way you can focus on other marketing activities and scale your brand. And the final piece of this marketing strategy is your CRM system. Customer relationship management is how you track your marketing and sales data, and your CRM stores information about prospective and existing customers alike. This is a must-have for any brand that has a sales process, but it's also very helpful for e-commerce and product-based services where you don't have a sales process. The more data that you have around your marketing and how people interact with your brand on their journey to becoming a customer, the easier it is going to be to scale your business. The six-figure marketing strategy is designed to be a no-fluff approach to scaling your brand. You'll need one core offer, one ideal customer profile, one marketing channel, one landing page or a one-page website, one email sequence, and a CRM system. In the next video, we are going to be diving deep into how to choose the best marketing channels for your brand so you can easily identify how you can scale your brand to six figures and beyond. This video was an excerpt from Marketing Accelerator, my free membership helping you scale to six figures and beyond. Since you enjoyed this video, you will love the information that is available to you for free within the membership. Link to join is below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.